channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I come at you with an unboxing. I know, I've been bad, but this one you will understand. When I unbox this one, you guys will get it. I am so excited about this piece. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, then keep watching. As I stated, you guys, you know that I have been a little bit of a bad girl this year. However, this piece came along and I was like, you know what? I just can't resist. And I feel like I say that with quite a few, but this one you will really understand. So let's go ahead, let's get right into it, and then we can be a little chatty. Just a hint. I happen to dress for the occasion, so I'm wearing animal print, so this may or may not be a hint as to what is in the box. So let's go ahead, let's unbox it, and then once I share it with you, I will kind of show you how I'm going to use it. Okay, so of course I have my receipt. I purchased this from the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's. I mentioned to you guys I like to shop through the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's because if you spend a certain amount, you get a $25 reward, and then you can use that towards Louis Vuitton items. So I always like to do that. As you can tell, it is a small leather good. Open it this way. So excited. And this is a true unboxing. I am seeing it for the first time as well. Comes in the dust bag. And the item that I picked up is, you ready for this? Rosalie coin purse from the Wild at Heart collection. Okay, can we just take a moment for this wallet? You guys know my love affair with the Louis Vuitton Rosalie. I love this compact wallet. I don't feel like it gets enough love. At least I don't really hear that many people talking about it. I have a lot of SLGs. I would consider myself a collector. This is one of my favorites. Not only is it a small compact wallet, but it fits everything. It fits your cash, your cards, your coins, which I will share with you today. But in addition, it's priced well for Louis Vuitton. So the normal Rosalie wallet retails for $400, which I know is still expensive, but it's all relative. This one is a little more because it is a special edition, but I feel like for the price, it's worth your money considering it's extremely functional. So first, let's take an up-close view of this wallet. So it is the new Louis Vuitton Wild at Heart collection. Oh my gosh, it is the black canvas, which I will be honest, at first when I looked at it, I thought it was going to be the empreinte leather, but it's not. It is the canvas. It has the beautiful white LV and it has the prettiest pink. It's like the animal print. So you can see the front, you can see the back. Has the little snap closure in gold, and then you open it this way. Mine is, I don't know if it'll pick up, made in Spain, which a lot of people ask me if I have a preference for made in France, made in Spain, made in the US. I honestly don't really. A lot of people say they have quality issues when they buy things that are made in the US. Knock on wood, I haven't had many issues, so I don't really care. I guess it is nicer to have something made in France, but it doesn't really bother me either way. But this is made in Spain. So here is what is so amazing about this wallet. And if you guys didn't check out my recent video dedicated to the Rosalie wallet, make sure to check it out because I really go into detail as to why I love this so much. And it's really ironic that I filmed that video and then I saw this wallet. That was not planned, but you guys know I mentioned that I had planned on getting another Rosalie, but at the time I was considering getting it in the Damier Azur, and then this came along and I was just in love because you know how much I love black handbags, and then it has the pink animal print and the yellow. So anyway, you open it up, it has a little zip compartment. This is where you keep your change, and actually if you guys are looking for this piece, it is the Rosalie and the number is M80755 and it retails for $515. Like I said, it is $115 more expensive than the regular Rosalie, but that is because it is a special edition. So anyway, then there is a compartment in the back here, a compartment for your card, and then there is just a large compartment right here. So as I stated, I love this because the way that I typically use this, I will put my coins in here, I will put my cards here, and then I'll put my cash back here. And I am going to spin the camera around. I'm going to show you how I typically do use it, but that's why I think this is so worth it, because it's one of those wallets that is so functional. Not only is it little and cute and it fits in a lot of handbags, especially smaller crossbody bags, but it also fits all of your essentials. So let's go ahead, let me spin around really quick, and I'm going to share with you how I typically use this wallet. Okay, so before I show you how I use it and what fits, I want to just give you an up close of how pretty this is. Look at the pretty black canvas, and then you have the LV logo. You have the back of it. I just love the detail. I love the pink and the yellow together. I think it's so pretty and just really makes it pop. You open it up, you can see again, Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. You have the little compartment in which you keep coins. What I'll do is I'll just pop it open like this. I'll take these out right here. And then you can see you have a compartment here, a large compartment here, a spot for a card, and then a spot here. And you can see on the side it has like a little accordion style. So let me show you how I normally pack this. And again, I love this because it's so tiny. So I just grabbed a couple cards. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for purposes to show you kind of how I use it. And I will pop the cards in here. And the reason I like it, I mentioned, is because it makes it really easy if you're like checking out at a store, because you can open this up and you can just grab your cards very easily, and you don't have to worry about having them in a slot, where sometimes that can be cumbersome to get in and out. Now, I also will take a little bit of change, because I am a person that still carries change. I keep it in there, so I have my cards, my coins, which I then can open that way. It can be a little cumbersome to get your fingers in, so I would just recommend going like this, and then you can easily get your change in and out. So I do that, and then I will take some cash. Now keep in mind, if you're someone who carries a ton of cash, this might not be the best wallet for you because you do have to fold it. But I find that what I'll do is I'll fold my cash, I put it in the back pocket right there. So I have my cash folded once, I have my cards here, my coins here. And then what I do is I button it closed, and you can see it is nice and thin. Now, if you want to, you can also take the cash out and you can put it in this compartment too. It's all up to you how you like to organize it, but I like to kind of keep my cash separate. So there you have it. That's how I usually pack it. And I find this is just really, really super functional and convenient. I love how all my cards are just in this accordion spot where I can easily access them. And then you have your change too, if you are a change person. So this is just a great, great wallet. When I looked on the website and I saw that this was coming out in the Wild at Heart collection, I was like, oh my goodness. I immediately texted my sales associate and I was like, you have got to help me find this. Like, is there any way I can get this? Because as I stated, I knew I wanted another Rosalie. I just thought it was going to be in the Damier Azur, but this is even better because it is black and it also has the pink as well. So as you can see, this is a little guy, but it definitely fits quite a bit and is super functional. Okay guys, there you have it. So what do you think? Were you surprised by this purchase? As I stated, I know that I was a little naughty and I really don't need any more small leather goods, but when I saw this Rosalie, I was just immediately drawn to it, and I'm so happy I was able to add it in my collection. I think because I do use a lot of black handbags, I think it's going to match really, really well with my aesthetic. I just love the animal print. I love the pop of pink. I love how functional it is, and I'm really, really excited. So I would love to know your thoughts. Is there anything from the Wild at Heart collection that you guys are going to pick up? I'll be honest, I also saw the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. But a lot of times I found that with pieces like this, I tend to gravitate more towards small leather goods. I like to have bright and colorful small leather goods so that when you open your purse, it's like fun to look at. And then I tend to kind of gravitate a little more towards neutral bags, like just kind of plain solid colors. But I'll tell you, I was tempted by that bag. I thought the Neverfull was just so beautiful. So I would love to know below, are you guys going to pick up anything from the Wild at Heart collection? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.